MRCOOL believes in comfort made simple. That's why we've made finding the perfect DIY system for your home so simple. With our MRCOOL Configurator, only at MRCOOL.com. Simply go to the site, navigate over to Products, choose DIY 4-chin E-Star or Multi-Zone, then scroll down to the Configurator button. Once there, it'll have you select the number of zones or rooms you'd like to heat and cool. Anywhere from 1 to 5 zones are possible. Next, you'll select the size of the air handlers for each zone. A simple square footage measurement is all the info you'll need. The configurator will pair those calculations with the perfect handler. Once your air handlers are chosen, it's time to select the right line set length. Line set lengths are the distance your Quick Connect line will travel from each handler to the condenser. Got your line set links in? Click Next and voila! Every component you'll need to heat and cool your home with a DIY system. Bring that list to a MRCOOL retailer near you and they'll get you just what you need. It's that simple with MRCOOL DIY and MRCOOL.com. Comfort made simple.